hear the voice of the customer all the time. And then with that knowledge, I work with TeraTech to help me translate what I need to see on the website or an issue with the website and how to fix it. Yeah, it can be a little bit stressful in this role occasionally, but I feel like I'm in good hands and I get really fast response rates from Angel and the team.
Please introduce yourself and your business with a few words about what your business does.
My name is Carolyn of Ingvoldstad, and I work with Artistic Finishes. We're an e-commerce provider, manufacturer of flooring accessories. So if you have a hard surface floor, you're going to need the floor, and then you're going to need all the little bits and pieces, the T-molds and the stair noses and everything to complete your job. And that's what we do. We custom blend to any color, many, many species of wood. We also have vinyl and laminate options. So we're a one-stop shop for your accessory needs. It is the way that customers place their orders, and it's the beginning of how we input all of our information into our production software. So our website is critical to our business.
Can you tell me about the specific problem you were looking to solve that led you to discover TeraTech?
This was a little bit before my time, but we had an in-house developer, and we made the choice to outsource that job. I was very early in my time here when we made that move, but my understanding is that everything went very smoothly with that huge change we made from going in-house to outsourced.
Thinking back to before this program was written, what were the main pain points of not having a solution to this problem?
I mean, having an in-house developer is, somebody right there that you can bug immediately, and not unlimited hours, but 40 hours a week. Switching to TeraTech was a lot less hours on a monthly basis, but we were able to just really focus on what our priorities were and work through it. It's a different process, but it seemed to have worked well. And then in the case of an emergency, we were able to get really quick response and feedback and help.
Did you try or consider any other options before you went with TeraTech?
That I don't know.
At the point you decided to work with TeraTech, what were the specific doubts or concerns you had about going ahead?
So our website, when we made the transition from in-house to working at TeraTech, we had a lot of what I understand is called spaghetti code, and just a lot of weaknesses. We consider our website to be like a little bit fragile, a little bit, I think we call it spider webby. Like if you change one thing, what's it going to affect somewhere else within the website? So just a lot of it took a lot of tender care to make sure that the website continued to operate properly and to make improvements.
Can you describe the specific moment you realized TeraTech was working really well for your organization?
I guess I don't know early days, but TeraTech started. Well, I took custody of being the liaison with TeraTech about a year ago, and immediately we encountered some different issues. And TeraTech really helped us to ensure that information was flowing properly from customers, putting information into our website, and then also making sure that the information was flowing from our website to our internal production software. It was a little bit of a bumpy road, but they put in all the time needed to make sure that we were operating on a daily basis and then making the improvements so that we could function properly again.
How successful your business has been with TeraTech?
So we will frequently need to make small or big changes on our website to deliver better product to our customer, to increase pricing or enhance the customer experience so that they have more understanding of our products, I guess. And TeraTech has been there to help us support. We went through a huge process integrating waivers into our website, which is a difficult point of purchase. It's complicated. We're searching through thousands of different floors and making sure that the customer understands exactly what to expect. And TeraTech helped us to make that a smooth and easy process for our customers.
Is there anything else about working with TeraTech that we haven't covered that you'd like to share, or even anything that we have covered that you'd like to expand on more?
I guess what I've really, really enjoyed working with TeraTech is working with our specific development team. I feel like I have a need, I have an issue, and they're able to interpret and understand what I'm asking for right away and often come up with a more elegant solution than I could do on my own, which is so invaluable and so helpful. And it makes working with TeraTech just so easy. Truly. We had a really big undertaking of adding what we call a handling fee, and it was a big undertaking, and Angel was able to understand the customer experience and execute something quickly and elegantly. It was wonderful.
What would you say to anyone sat on the fence right now, not sure whether to work with TeraTech?
So someone on the fence, not sure if TeraTech's a good fit. So within our company, and I don't know if this is true of many companies, but we do not speak the language of ColdFusion. We need someone to interpret our needs on a layman's term and integrate that into the code. So it's just an invaluable part of what we need in order for our website to operate smoothly. It's been a wonderful fit.